New design diagonal rear camera. Simple but sharp curves. Yes, it's a brand new iPhone 13. Just kidding. Actually, it's an iPhone XR with customized iPhone 13 back housing. Let's take a look at the iPhone before conversion. In the setting page, we can see it's an iPhone XR. Because the back glass was damaged badly, we will convert it to an iPhone 13 with this customized back housing. Now let's go straight to the topic. Power off and eject the SIM tray. Unbolt 2 bottom screws. Insert a plastic crowbar. Slide around gently to separate the screen. Open screen and disconnect the battery. Remove 3 connectors shields and remove screen. Disconnect all flexes. Unbolt 5 screws on board and SIM slot. Take out the motherboard. Remove battery, Face ID and rear camera module. Remove Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and power volume flex. Remove Taptic engine, loudspeaker and dock antenna flex, and all the small components left on back housing. For more convenient assembling, we put all parts on prepared magnetic pad. To fit customized housing, the buttons, SIM tray, and power volume flex are customized too, while all other parts are compatible. Now, let's make this magic conversion happen. Install all set buttons and the internal brackets. Install antenna and charging dock flex. Install loudspeaker, Taptic engine, shields and all screws. Install wireless charging flex, then Bluetooth and rear camera, and reverse the teardown process to install all parts back. Install motherboard and connect all flex. Install SIM slot and Face ID module. Apply new adhesive for battery. Install it back and connect the motherboard. In customized iPhone 13 style back housing, everything looks totally same with the iPhone XR. Apply new waterproof adhesive. Connect the screen to motherboard and bolt the shield back. push screen to make it fit into new housing tightly. Bolt the 2 bottom screws and insert the SIM tray. Power on. The phone already detected the cellular signal. Because this 10R got SIM locked, the activating page pop out. Let's eject the SIM card to test functions. After testing, all functions worked well without any effect by new housing. Enter setting page. It's still same iPhone XR. Now let's enjoy the beautiful iPhone XR with the iPhone 13 design. We believe there will be more customized iPhone 13 style housing for other models. Would you like to convert it with your iPhone? Welcome to leave your comment. We will tear down brand new iPhone 13 series in couple of days. Please subscribe us and don't miss the update.